Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix mapping failed on MOVA Tenzin. If the mapping failed, you will need to do a few things, including cleaning the LiDAR dome and also maybe running the mapping again. So let's begin with cleaning the LiDAR dome. In order to do it, you will need to remove the robot from its charging station. You can do it by lifting the handle here, so you lift the back wheels, which are pretty hard to rotate manually, then it freely moves out of the station. Now there is the LiDAR sensor, and you can clean it with a microfiber cloth. It can be dry, it can be slightly damp, you can also soak it in isopropyl alcohol. Make sure it's isopropyl and not just any kind of alcohol you find at home. You can just clean it like that, make sure it's really clean and shiny. And now try mapping again. To map, you just open the app and create it, then manually move it. There's a whole video on how to create a map, so you may want to watch that because it's more helpful when you don't know how to create a map. And that is basically it. To do it, to delete a map, you'll need to go to the app. Okay, I had to turn the robot on. Now it is on, so I can go into the app. And then as you can see here, when I click on the map editing button right here, I can find all my maps and I can delete it with this red trash icon and then add another one by clicking on Add Map. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.